Have you ever looked at someone earning money online and thought, how are they doing it? What is their secret? They travel, they work from home, they live free, while you were stuck scrolling, wishing that could be you. Let me tell you something. In 2026, that dream is not impossible anymore. It is real, and it is waiting for you. Because today, I am going to share 3 powerful and realistic ways to make real money online in 2026. No scams, no fake promises, just proven methods that ordinary people are using to change their lives. Let us begin. First, freelancing. In 2026, freelancing is not just a part-time gig, it is a global opportunity. People everywhere are earning thousands of dollars every month by selling their skills online. You do not need a degree, you just need one skill. Writing, editing, designing, or even simple data entry. Websites like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer are full of clients looking for people exactly like you. Start small. Deliver quality. At first, you might earn $20 or $30 per project, but soon you'll build trust, reviews, and a steady income. Freelancing does more than pay your bills. It builds your mindset. It teaches responsibility, communication, and confidence. And when you realize you can earn from your own talent, you'll never look at a 9-to-5 job the same way again. Stay consistent for 3 months and you will see your life change. Second, creating digital products. Now this is where smart people win. Why work for every dollar when you can create something once and get paid again and again? It could be an ebook, a course, or digital templates people need. Information sells faster than ever in 2026. People are constantly searching how to start a business, how to speak English, how to lose weight.
If you know something valuable, teach it, record it, and sell it. You do not need to be an expert, just someone who is one step ahead. Platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, and Payhip make it simple. Once your product is uploaded, it works for you even when you sleep. That is true financial freedom, earning while doing what you love. Third, content creation. This one is my favorite because it is the future. In 2026, attention is the new money. If you can grab attention by helping, inspiring, or entertaining people, you can build a brand that pays for life. Start small. Use your phone, your story, your voice. Post on YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram, anywhere your audience lives. The key is not perfection, it is consistency. When you show up daily, you build trust. And trust turns into followers, sponsors, and income streams you never imagined. Remember this, someone out there is waiting for your message. Do not let fear stop you from sharing it. So now you know the 3 real ways to make money online in 2026. Freelancing, digital products, and content creation. Each one has the power to change your life if you are ready to take action. Because the truth is, opportunities are everywhere, but only for those who move. Do not wait for the perfect moment. Create it. Because the best investment you'll ever make is in yourself. If this video inspired you, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell icon because I'll be sharing more real, practical, and powerful ways to help you grow, earn, and build your dream life. Remember, this is your time. 2026 is not just another year. It is your year to rise, to take action, and to finally create the life you deserve.